One essential component in air conditioners must be the heat exchanger in its dual application as a condenser as well as evaporator. Changing from smooth-bore copper tubes to internally enhanced inner groove tubes enabled a move towards higher efficiency heat exchangers. The process of coil making includes the use of hairpin tube cutting and bending machines, which draws the tubes from the copper reels, cuts them to the required length, and bends them 180 degrees. Alongside is the thin pressing, where the punching of holes, corrugating of the surface, and cutting to the required dimension takes place. Fins are then collected, end plates attached, and hairpin tubes inserted, thus forming the heat exchanger coils. Coils are then moved to the mechanical tube expander, where mandrels are inserted to each tube, which mechanically bond the hairpin tube to the aluminium fins. The return bend machine fabricates copper return bends, or elbows, from copper reels, and then the brazing rings are inserted mechanically. One final step completes the circuiting loop for the successful flowing of refrigerant through the heat exchanger coils. Loaded onto the brazing conveyor, coils are fitted with elbows and brazing rings. After pressurization, coils move over to the automatic brazing furnace for leak-free connections. Connecting the various air conditioning components requires accurately bent copper tubes. Utilizing CNC three-dimensional copper tube bending machines that conform to the hundreds of various coil connections permits error and defect-free production of volume and quality.